Good morning, dear children. Today we will start addition and subtraction of fractions, multiplication and dividing of fractions. So, for addition of fractions, to add fractions, there are three simple steps. What is the first step? What we have to make sure that the bottom numbers should be same. Bottom numbers means the denominator. If the denominator is same, then simply we can add the numerators and then the answer will come. But if the denominator is not same, first we have to change the fraction into like fractions and then we have to add the numerator and then the answer will come. So first, if the denominators are same, then see this example, 1 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8. Here what you can see? Here you can see that denominators are same. Here what you can see? The denominators are same. 1 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8, they already have the same denominator. So when the denominator is same, what I have said, you will simply add the numerator. So what is the numerator? 1 and 3. So 1 plus 3, that is 4, and 4 upon 8. So answer will come 4 upon 8. When the denominator is same, we just add the numerators. Now 4 upon 8 has come. Now 4 upon 8, you can reduce it and you can write it. When you have added it, it has come 4 upon 8. Now 4 upon 8 can be reduced and it can be written as 1 upon 2. So what else you can say? The resulting fraction can sometimes be reduced also. If it can be reduced, you have to reduce it and then you have to write the answer. Now next is, again what you have to do, you have to add 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. Now here what you can see is, here you can see that denominators are not same. So when the denominator is not same, what you have to do first step, you have to see the denominator and you have to take out the LCM of the denominator. So what is written here? If they do not have the same denominator, we must change them so that they do. Now, if they do not have the same denominator, we must change them so that they do. We need their least common multiple. We need to find out the LCM of 3 and 4. We have to find out the LCM of 3 and 4. Okay. So first we will take out LCM or least common multiple. You can take out like this also. You can write the multiple of 3. You can write the multiple of 3, you can write the multiple of 4, and you can see the least common multiple. Least common multiple, here what you have got is the LCM is 12. Now next step what you have to do, in the previous lecture we have discussed how to change into like fractions. Like fraction also, first what we have to do, we have to take out the LCM and then we have to multiply the denominator with that number, so the LCM is equal, so that the denominator is equal to the LCM and the same number is multiplied to the numerator. Now next what we can see here, now LCM was 12. Now we have to see that 4 is multiplied by what number? So what should come? 12. So 4 multiplied by 3. 4 multiplied by 3 we will do. So LCM will be what? Now what you can see here, fraction was 1 upon 3. So in 1 upon 3, what you have to do? You have to see the denominator should come 12. So in 3 you have multiplied 4. So what will come? 4 into 3, 12. So in the numerator also what you will multiply? You will multiply it by 4. So what will come? It will come 4 upon 12 and so as the next fraction will come 3 upon 12. Now what you can see? Here you can see denominator is same. Now when the denominator has come same, simply you will add the numerator and answer will come. So if the denominator is same, simply you will add the numerator. But if not, the denominators are not same, first you will take out the LCM of the denominators, you will change into like fraction, and then you will simply add the numerators. Now same process is for subtraction also. Subtraction, if two numbers are there, two fractions are there, 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4, subtraction work precisely the same way. The same way means first you have taken out LCM. LCM has come 12. LCM has come 12. So 1 upon 3, what we will multiply here? We will multiply by 4. So up also we will multiply by 4. Here 1 upon 4 was a fraction. So what we will multiply here? Into 3. And here also into 3. So what will come? It will come 4 upon 12 minus 3 upon 12, and answer will be 1 upon 12. Same way in subtraction also, if denominator is same, you will simply subtract the numerator. But if the denominator is not same, you will first take out the LCM of the denominators, change into like fraction, and then subtract the numerators. Now adding mixed number. Adding mixed number, there are two methods. Here what we can do is, first we can add the whole numbers. Here what is the whole number? 2 is the whole number and 4 is the whole number. First what we can do, we can add the whole numbers, and then we can add the fractions together. 1 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3. Here we can do. Okay. So 2 plus 4, here it will come 6, and 1 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3 as we were doing. Now 6 and 3, again what we can say here? Here the denominator is not same. So first we will change into like fraction. So LCM will come 6. LCM will come 6. Here you can see 6 already is there. Here this fraction can be multiplied by 2. So upward also it will be multiplied by 2. So what will come? 1 upon 6 plus 4 upon 6. Now here what you can say? 6 plus here 1 plus 4, 5 upon 6. Answer will come 6 whole 5 upon 6. 6 whole 5 upon 6. Now there is another method which is given in your book. First you can change into improper fraction. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 upon 6. Plus 4 3s are 12. Plus 2, 14. 14 upon 3. Now what you will do? You have to change into mixed. You have to change into like fractions because the denominator is not same. Here you can see when LCM will come, again LCM will come 6. LCM will come 6. So there is no need of multiplying here. Here when you will multiply by 2 into 2. You can write. Now here what will come? 13 upon 6 already it will come, and then 14 2s are 28. 28 upon 6. Now what has come? The denominator has come same. So simply you will multiply. Simply you will add it. Add the numerator. What will come? 41 upon 6. It will come. So what you will do? Divide it. 6 6 are 36. 6 whole. 6 whole 5 upon 6. Answer will come same. So both the method answer you will get same. So you can change into improper fraction, and then you can change into like fraction, and then you can add, or first what you can do, you can add whole numbers and then add fractions together, and then you can get the answer. Now next topic is multiplication and division of fraction. Multiplication and division of fraction. Now here two numbers are there, 2 upon 9. What you have to do, 2 upon 9 into 3 upon 8. Again here we can say that there are two methods. First method, what is there? Multiplication first. What is there? Multiplication first. Multiplication first means first we will multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator, and then we will reduce it. So what we have done here, 2 into 3, what has come? 2 into 3 and 9 into 8. So 2 3s are 6 and upon 72. Now what has come? 6 upon 72. So when we will reduce, answer will come 1 upon 12. So 1 upon 12 is the answer. This is multiplication first. First you have multiplied and then you have reduced it. Now next method is simplification first. First you have reduced it and then you have multiplied. First you have reduced it and then you have multiplied. Now here what you have done, 2 upon 9 into 3 upon 8. So 2 ones are and here 4s are. And so what you will get, 1 into 3 upon 9 into 4. Now again what you can see, it can also be reduced, 1s are and 3s are. Now numerator side what you can see, 1 into 1. So 1 into 1, and denominator side 3 into 4 was left. So 1 into 1, 1, and 3 into 4, 12. So answer, both method answer will come same. That was, first you were multiplying first, multiplication first, and then simplification first. Two methods, any method you can do. But I will say first you try to reduce it and then multiply the numerators and the denominators. Now next is, now what one example, if you have to multiply like this, a whole number with a fraction. If a whole number is multiplied with a fraction, or a fraction is multiplied by a whole number, simply what you can write is, you can write the whole number as 15 is the whole number here. Simply you can write 15 upon 1. The value doesn't change. So 15 upon 1 into 2 upon 55. 15 here 3 times and here 11 times. Simply then you will multiply 3 into 2 and 1 into 11. Answer will come 6 upon 11. Now next is fractions division. Now division. Question is 4 upon 15 divided by 16 upon 35. Divided by 16 upon 35. Whenever division is there, what you have to do? You have to flip the other fraction. You have to reciprocal the other fraction and the sign will be changed into multiplication. You have to reciprocal the second fraction and the divide sign will change into multiplication. Now what we can see here, see what it is done. 4 upon 15 into 35, it has been reciprocal. 16 upon 35 has been changed into 35 upon 16. Now same method as you were doing multiplication, you will do 4 upon 15 into 35 upon 16. Now you can reduce it and then this also can be reduced. So upside what has come, numerator side 1 into 7 and here 3 into 4, answer has come 7 upon 12. This was all about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fraction. So some key points for multiplication, what you can say that for multiplication, simplify the given fraction. Simplify the given fraction and then multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. For division, flip the second fraction and multiply the fraction. This was some key points. Now you can do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Exercise 2.2 and 2.3 is related to this only. In the next lecture, we will discuss the exercise of subtraction, addition, multiplication and division.